Assalamu alaikum, namaste, good evening. Dear esteemed guests, revered dignitaries, and all members of our community, it is with immense pride and profound joy that we extend a warm greetings to you all. This annual gathering, which honors our cherished culture and enduring traditions, provides us with a momentous occasion to reflect on our achievements. Today, I, Shayma Abdul Razak, am honored to formally present the comprehensive report on the accomplishment of Tulu Koota Kuwait Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship successful inaugural disbursement. Our spirits lifted by a deep sense of fulfillment, tinged with the profound humility and fierce pride of witnessing greatness when we met young India, a generation shining with hope and poised for a bright future in spite of many challenges on their path. It is an absolute privilege to reach and recognize the dedicated school toppers who embody this promise and are the deserving recipients of Tulu Koota Kuwait Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship. To commemorate the Silver Jubilee of Tulu Koota Kuwait, a new initiative under Vidyanidhi or Project Education, the Tulu Koota Kuwait Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship, was launched during this year 2025. This scheme represents a unique approach to our long-standing commitment to educational support. Since inception, Tulu Koota Kuwait has consistently aided students and schools through various forms of financial assistance, including scholarships, books, uniforms, and essential school facilities. This new merit scholarship initiative was established with the specific goal of reaching, recognizing, and resourcing them with financial assistance to meritorious students from government schools. Not just this year, with a clear commitment of long-term on a continuous basis. This initiative not only provides financial assistance but also serves as a powerful motivator, encouraging students to pursue their academic goals with renewed vigor. We are proud to report the successful disbursement of the scholarships to 30 deserving students and total amount of INR 2,45,000 for the first year under this new initiative, a merit certificate and a scholarship of INR 10,000 for 12th standard and INR 7,500 for 10th standard students who secured highest marks in the final examination of their respective schools for the academic year 2024-25. The TKK Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship is not merely an endowment, it is an investment guided by ancient wisdom. Our founding principle resonates with the teaching that Vidya Dadati Vinayam, Vinayat Yati Patratam, Patratva Dhanamapnoti, Dhanat Dharmam Tatahas Sukham. We believe that by supporting the finest students, we are ensuring they gain not just academic degrees but the discipline and humility that transform them into worthy citizens. The ultimate aim of this support is that the wealth and opportunities they receive will empower them to practice dharma, righteous duty, contributing to society and achieving true lasting sukham, happiness. The Tulu Koota Kuwait Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship is a testament to our dedication to the community. By focusing on the government school students, we aim to reach those who may have limited access to such opportunities. Our visit was intended to be a formal act of handing over the merit certificates to the deserving meritorious students. What we encountered, however, was a profound and humbling experience. The students we visited and schools we visited, despite the pride of the students and the teachers, revealed the stark reality of their circumstances. The buildings were in poor condition, some with crumbling plaster and leaking roofs. Basic amenities were visibly lacking. It was clear that these institutions are neglected and the dedication of the teachers and the students is what truly holds them together. The contrast between the physical environment and the intellectual potential within was striking. We met students with bright eyes and eager minds who have achieved academic excellence against immense odds. They come from families that cannot afford private education, and their success is a testament to their sheer determination and hard work. But beyond the formal proceedings, the true reward was found in the smiles of gratitude and the glimmer of hope on the faces of the teachers of those schools. A sight whose value cannot be measured completely justified the mission of the TKK Memorial Scholarship. The successful completion of the scholarship disbursement for the inaugural year of the Tulu Koota Kuwait Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship is a source of immense pride for our organization. This initiative reinforces our belief in the transformative power of education and our ongoing resolve to support meritorious students. We look forward to continuing this scholarship theme annually, building on the foundation laid this year to create a lasting legacy of support and encouragement. Tulu Koota Kuwait President Mr. Shankar Shetty and committee members extend their heartfelt gratitude to all members of Tulu Koota Kuwait, donors, school teachers, and other individuals who are the key partners for the success of this new initiative. With full hearts and unwavering commitment, we assert that this is just a beginning. Our vision is to ensure the TKK Silver Jubilee Memorial Merit Scholarship theme is extended to benefit every school in Tulu Nadu. We are resolved to see this program flourish in the coming years and stand as a true model of merit and opportunity. Once again, I, Shayma Abdul Razak, thank you personally and on behalf of Tulu Koota Kuwait committee members. May peace prevail, wishing all good health and happiness.